Recently, a video appeared online that sent shockwaves through the entire Bigfoot community. What it captured was so disturbing, so clear, that people are still arguing about it to this day. It came from a camping enthusiast, a man who had set up a campsite deep within the woods on his own property. The exact location of this encounter remains unknown, but he resides somewhere in the northern United States. He had installed a trail camera on a tree at the site to monitor the area while he was away. Occasionally, he would retrieve the camera to check the footage, which mostly captured nothing unusual, a curious deer or other wildlife passing through. But this time, the footage captured something that not only shocked him, but also stunned the entire world. The video shows a massive, dark, Sasquatch-like creature dropping a huge tree branch onto the man's tent. On zooming in, the creature appears to be covered in long dark hair, with broad shoulders and a massive head, significantly larger than a human's. When compared to the tent, which is likely 4 to 5 feet tall, the typical height of a 1 to 2 person camping tent, the creature towers over it, suggesting it stands around 8 to 9 feet tall. It is speculated that the clip is so brief either because the trail camera ran out of storage, or because it only records for a few seconds after detecting motion. Regardless, the footage is incredibly captivating. As for why the creature seems so angry, it's possible that the campsite was unintentionally set up in the Bigfoot's territory. The man has since moved his campsite to a new location in the woods, hoping to avoid any future encounters with the creature. This next piece of footage is one of the strangest things ever recorded in the wild, and the moment you see it, you will understand why people still cannot agree on what it actually is. It was captured by a lone hiker, deep in the vast wilderness, enjoying nature and losing track of time. Eventually, the hiker reached an area surrounded by thick pine trees. The trees were so dense that it was difficult for him to see through to the other side. Suddenly, he heard something massive moving on the other side of the dense trees. Thinking it was a large animal, he pulled out his phone and started recording.
Holy shit.
However, what he captured was far more dark and disturbing. A massive bipedal creature walked past. Some immediately identified it as Bigfoot, but this creature looked different from the traditional depiction of Bigfoot. Its arms reached all the way down to its feet. It appeared significantly thinner, and it was more hunched over. This unsettling creature seemed to be at least 10 feet tall. What do you think this could be? What you are about to see is some of the most debated trail camera footage to ever come out of Canada. And once you understand what it actually shows, it is hard to look away. This intriguing footage comes from West Central Alberta, Canada, and was highlighted on January 17, 2024. The trail camera, set up to film and collect data on wolverines in the area, was never expected to capture something like this. The camera was initially triggered by a buck behind a tree, which briefly peeked its head around before retreating. However, something else was hiding on the other side of the tree. At first, the creature remained completely still, but once the buck walked away, it moved out of its hiding place. The creature appeared to be incredibly tall and massive, dark, and seemingly covered in fur. To estimate the creature's height, consider that the average buck stands around 3 feet tall at the head, and this one seemed particularly large, possibly 3.5 feet tall. However, for the sake of this video, let's assume it was 3 feet tall. The supposed Sasquatch's head appeared much higher than the deer's, even though the ground where the Sasquatch was standing sloped down significantly. This means the deer was on elevated ground, while the Sasquatch was on lower ground. Yet the creature still seemed to be around double the height of the deer, and even while crouching, it didn't appear to be standing at its full height. So a fair estimate would place it between 7 to 8 feet tall. This footage is certainly compelling and has left many people puzzled. Now this one is truly in a league of its own, because the claim being made here is unlike anything we have covered so far. A man named Hunter Peter claims to have the body of a Bigfoot stored in a freezer.
It has 5 toes. You can see its very large hands. See its eyes. It clearly is a male. You can see right there. This is the front of the Sasquatch. You know, compared to a human's hand, like my hand's not even close.
The footage shows what he says is a Sasquatch corpse, frozen and packed with ice. The body is enormous, matching the typical descriptions of Bigfoot with dark brown matted fur, large hands, and an overall massive physique. The head appears decayed and bloodied, with closed eyes and jagged teeth, giving it a very realistic appearance. Could Hunter Peter actually have a real Bigfoot body? Or is this an elaborate hoax? Perhaps it is a hyper-realistic prop. But if that is the case, it is an exceptionally convincing one. Let us know what you think in the comments below. What you are about to see has been called some of the most convincing Bigfoot footage ever recorded. And once you see it up close, it is not difficult to understand why. According to reports, the location was near the Clamoth River, on the Oregon and California border. A trail camera was strapped to a tree branch, about 10 feet off the ground, originally set up to record a feeder below. But instead of deer or wildlife, it captured something else entirely. The creature is dark and completely covered in long, shaggy hair. The face is terrifying, resembling a monkey's, but it is clearly not any type of monkey. Given that the camera was placed 10 feet up, this creature is estimated to be around 8 feet tall, as its head is only a couple of feet below the camera. The size of the arm and leg in the shot is enormous. The limbs are too thick and too well defined to belong to someone in a costume. This remarkably realistic footage has not yet been debunked, and is even puzzling experts. So what do you think? Could this be a Bigfoot? This footage was released on July 14, 2024, and it came with a caption that immediately grabbed everyone's attention. Terror on a rural farm, deep in the wilderness, a red-eyed, aggressive Bigfoot. As you can see, a pair of red glowing eyes are peering into the home from outside, in the yard. Due to the darkness, it is impossible to identify the creature. But based on those red eyes, this seems to be something out of this world. No known animals have red glowing eyes like this, which has led many to speculate that it could be some sort of cryptid, a dangerous predator lurking in the depths of the wilderness. Even though the caption suggests it is a Bigfoot, whatever is standing out there in the dark that night, it does not look like anything we have a name for. This footage was released on August 5, 2024, and it has been shocking people ever since. It is called the Jabes Cascade Bigfoot, and the moment you watch it, it is easy to see why. The footage looks extremely real. But the most mysterious part about it is that nobody can find any background information. Despite a lot of digging, nothing has surfaced about where exactly this was filmed, who filmed it, or what happened afterward. The video shows a dark, wide, hunched-over being in the distance. It seems to be trying to sneak around, but then notices the man's presence and attempts to flee quickly and quietly. The way it moves is not the way a human walks. Its strides are strange, unnatural, and deeply unsettling. A still shot from the footage provides the best look at the creature. It really does appear to be a Bigfoot, estimated to be around 7 feet tall. But until more background information comes to light, this may remain exactly what it is right now, a mystery, and perhaps a mystery that is better off unsolved. This one comes from a place nobody expected. Not deep in the wilderness, not a remote forest trail, but a small suburban neighborhood in Anaheim Hills, California. A photo was recently released, captured by a driver's dash cam at around 1 in the morning, and what it shows has divided people ever since. The image captures a dark, hairy creature that appears both ape-like and human-like. But unlike gorillas and apes, which typically hunch over when they move, this creature stands completely upright, leading many to believe it is not a monkey at all, but possibly a Sasquatch. Bigfoot, as it is commonly known, is one of the most infamous creatures ever reported across the United States. Never officially recognized by science, yet surrounded by an abundance of photographic and video evidence, along with countless first-hand accounts that simply refuse to go away. Bigfoot is said to be incredibly elusive, almost always staying hidden from human sight. So the real question here is, Why would one of these creatures appear in a small California neighborhood in the middle of the night? Could this be a clever hoax? Or is this a genuine photo of something that should not exist? This footage has been around for some time, but it recently resurfaced online, and the internet has not been able to make sense of it since. The incident took place in Latvia, a country in northeastern Europe. A man was casually walking through a Latvian forest when he suddenly encountered
The creature
what
was
appeared to
covered.
be a Bigfoot-like creature. The creature was covered in thick fur and walked on two legs. As soon as it noticed the man filming, it quickly retreated, bounding across a highway.
Given that
Given
there
that there
were
were no cars on the road, it is believed this was a remote, or perhaps even an abandoned highway, deep in an isolated area. The man who encountered the strange being was left completely clueless about what he had just witnessed. As viewers, we can tell that this creature is not human by the way it moves. It crouches down, looks directly at the person filming, and then runs across the highway with an unusual gait, swinging its arms and shoulders in a way that is not typical of any human being. Cryptid enthusiasts quickly speculated that this might be a Bigfoot, although its smaller size led some to believe it could be a juvenile Sasquatch. Others think it might be an entirely different cryptid species, one native to Latvia itself.
Taking a look at another reported sighting, this one surfaced online on September 21st, 2024. According to the caption, a woman hiking in Northern California originally captured this image on New Year's Day back in 2020. The report, later highlighted by Boise Bigfoot, claims she encountered a tall, hairy figure standing over a ridgeline while moving along a remote mountainous trail. And this is where things start to become more interesting. Analysts reviewed the terrain and compared the scale of the figure against the surrounding landscape, estimating its height to be around 7 to 8 feet tall. Now when you zoom into the image, even though it's extremely blurry, some details still stand out. A cone-shaped head, a lighter colored facial area, large eyes, and a noticeable nose structure. Skeptics immediately suggest it could be a bear. And to be fair, that is the most logical explanation at first glance. But when you compare the body structure more closely, the theory starts to weaken. The shoulders appear unusually broad. The posture looks more upright than expected. And the head shape doesn't fully match any known bear species. Bears typically have rounder skulls and a bulkier, forward-leaning frame. This figure looks different, and that is why some researchers believe it may not be a bear at all. Some suggest it could be a dogman-type encounter, while others lean toward Bigfoot, since both are often described with similar traits. But the real question is simple. If it is not a bear, then what exactly is standing on that ridge? Dogman, Bigfoot, or something else entirely?
This clear photo was reportedly captured by a trail camera, placed deep in a remote forest, like so many Bigfoot sightings. The camera's owner set it up to monitor local wildlife, but what it captured was far from ordinary. The motion-activated trail cam snapped a single image of a creature walking away from the lens. Its entire body is covered in long black fur, and the muscle structure in its arms and legs is incredibly defined, suggesting this isn't some person in a costume. Even the shoulders and head are clearly shaped, making this photo extremely convincing. Looking closer at its hands, the fingers are long and wide, much larger than a human's or even a monkey's, eliminating the possibility that this is a normal primate. The exact location of this forest wasn't revealed, but the photo was reportedly taken in 2023. This is a very clear, high-definition capture of what could be a genuine Bigfoot, and it certainly stands out as some of the most convincing evidence caught on camera. This is one of the clearest Bigfoot sightings I've ever seen. It was posted on July 5, 2023, with the caption, "Unknown animal caught on camera in the woods." The person who recorded it said they first thought it was a bear. but quickly realized it was definitely not. As you can see, the video shows a Sasquatch-like creature hiding in the brush. The moment it realizes it's been spotted, it quickly moves and disappears back into cover. The figure has broad shoulders and appears extremely tall and wide, much larger than any normal human. If I had to estimate, based on its position, it could be anywhere from 7 to 9 feet tall, maybe even more. Skeptics tried to say it's just a man in a suit, but because of its size and proportions, many don't believe that's possible. Just look at it next to the tree. It makes the tree look small, even though it's actually quite large. So, could this be real Bigfoot, finally caught on camera in clear footage? Now, let's take a look at the next clip. This is some truly mysterious footage, reportedly captured by a man named Harley Hoffman somewhere in British Columbia. As the video plays, we get a surprisingly clear view of what appears to be a Bigfoot moving through the woods. The figure walks steadily between the trees, and it's easy to make out its shape. Tall, wide, and covered in long dark hair, it matches the classic Bigfoot description almost perfectly. What really stands out is how natural its movement looks. It doesn't seem rushed or staged. It just calmly walks through the forest, like it belongs there. The proportions, the posture, even the way it moves, all add to the realism of the footage. The evidence here is pretty compelling. So, let's go ahead and watch it again.
October 2012, Provo Canyon, Utah. 4 friends headed deep into one of the most isolated wilderness areas in the American West. They brought a tent, a camera, and absolutely no idea what was waiting for them in the trees. At first, they thought it was a bear, a massive dark figure moving near the tree line. One of them lifted the camera and started recording. Then it stood up, not with the awkward movement of an animal losing balance, but slowly, deliberately, like something fully comfortable standing on 2 legs. The shoulders appeared impossibly wide. The arms hung low at its sides. And then it turned toward them. According to the group, that was the moment panic set in. They dropped everything. The tent, their supplies, even food, and they ran back to the car. The footage was uploaded online in October 2012 under the account Beard Card, quickly gaining millions of views. Wildlife specialists reviewed the movement. Costume designers examined the proportions. Skeptics attempted to recreate the figure using suits available at the time. None of them could fully explain what appeared in the canyon that day. And more than a decade later, the Provo Canyon footage still remains one of the most debated pieces of Bigfoot evidence ever recorded.